December 2024 attempt is over now, and the chase towards June 2025 attempt and December 2025 attempt is now ongoing. Yes, many of you might have given a single group in December 2024 and might be wondering, sir, should we start preparing for the next group? Or many of you have given your CMA foundation examinations and are wondering whether should we start our preparations for group 1 or group 2 in the interim period till the time results are out. So guys, in this particular video, I'm going to discuss with you my thoughts over how should the preparations be started, whether you should aim for single group or both the groups for June 2025 attempt, whether you should give June 25 attempt or should you defer your attempt to December 25, especially for those students who have just now given their CMA foundation examination awaiting results. And yes, the results would probably come in the second week of January for CMA foundation students, right? So yes, all these things I'll be discussing in this particular video. But before that, let me introduce you certain amazing combos which are available for each one of you for CMA Intermediate. So for all the CMA foundation students who have just now given their foundation examination, we have some superb combos for you. Sir, is it the right time to start group 1 studies? Guys, if you are reasonably sure that yes, you have given your best shot and you'll probably pass, then of course it is the right time to start studying for CMA Intermediate group 1. And in the future of in this video only, at a later part of it, I'll explain you what is the roadmap to giving your examination either in June 25 or December 25. But before that, let me introduce you to some combos which we have exclusively for CMA students. Now the best part about this combos is that the faculties which are listed in these combos are exclusively teaching CMA students. They'll be referring to CMA study material, CMA past examination question papers, CMA RTP, MTP, every thing will be surrounding CMA study mat, which is prescribed by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Now many students ask me, sir, in a subject like direct taxation, the sections are the same, so it hardly matters whether we take coaching from a teacher from another institute who's teaching another professional course or CMA. Doesn't matter. It matters a little bit. I'll explain you how. Yes, the sections remain the same. So PGBP topic will remain the same, salary topic will remain the same, but the depth and the length in which these topics are covered in the video lectures and the questions in the class, they vary. To give you a very simple example, costing is one such subject which is a little more detailed in CMA as compared to any other professional course. Similarly, sections which are related to taxation, some sections are taught in great detail in CMA which are not taught in great detail in other professional examinations, and vice versa is also true. So there's a mixed match of depth in which a particular section is to be studied. The provisions, the clarification, the notifications of the institute, all these vary, and therefore the importance of taking coaching from teachers who are giving exclusively their coaching for CMA student is really increased. And that is the reason why I have created a website. On my website, you will find all the teachers who are catering exclusively to CMA students. Now let me first of all introduce you to some of my popular combos which are really beneficial to all the students. And of course, with quality education, we ensure that pricing has to be competitive, pricing has to be affordable, pricing has to be such that students are easily able to afford it and accommodate it. So the first and the foremost combo that I'll be referring to right now is combo number 1, which is myself. I'll be teaching direct taxation and indirect taxation to all of you. Then we have Hardik Mishra sir, who will be teaching financial accounting and cost accounting to all of you. Hardik Mishra sir, as you popularly know him as Hardik Bhaiya, he has been really popular. He's been really helpful in your CMA foundation studies as well. A very young, enthusiastic teacher, faculty whose energy, whose sheer exuberance will fill your classes with energy, and you'll definitely not want to close his classes. That is the energy which Hardik Bhaiya brings on the table. Then for law, we have CS, LLB, LLM, Arjun Chhabra sir. And yes, his writing practice, the way he makes you practice all the questions, all the answers, and of course, law being primarily a theoretical subject, writing practice is the key. He is a master in providing you writing practice. Yes, his YouTube videos on writing practice are really popular, and you'll definitely be greatly benefited by all his techniques that are being taught in the class. So this combo will be available to you around 20,000 rupees. And yes, you can call upon these numbers which are given or visit the website for further details. One very important detail about this particular combo is that, guys, for June 25 and December 25 attempt, both the teachers Hardik sir and Arjun sir will be providing live classes to you. And Hardik sir's very popular OG batch is being referred to over here. So yes, live classes for financial accounting, cost accounting and law, and recorded classes for direct taxation and indirect taxation. So won't you take anything live? Yes, I'll be taking live. I'll be taking complete revision for all of you, absolutely live. Classes are recorded, full-fledged classes are recorded, but I'll be taking live, revision of all these chapters. I'll definitely be taking live because I don't want to miss upon interacting with you on a real-time basis about all the concepts of direct taxation and indirect taxation. So yes, that's our combo number 1 for group 1, which you can of course choose from. Then we have combo number 2, which is with a very popular Deepak sir. Again, a young and enthusiastic teacher who really fills his classes with energy, with vigor. And yes, you will see a lot of personal experiences being shared in his classes, and he's popular for that. And in this particular combo, I'll be teaching direct tax and indirect tax, and Deepak sir will be teaching law, cost accounting and financial accounting to all of you. This combo will be available around 11,000 for all of you. Yes, this combo has got soft copy version as well to reduce the prices. Soft copy is being offered. In this particular combo, soft copy is only being offered by Hardik sir. Rest 2 faculties will provide you hard books only. And not only these, we have some other amazing faculties on our website. So do visit our website for some other amazing combos which are available for group 1. Sir, you only tell us which is the best combo. We cannot choose, we cannot decide what is who's the good teacher, who's good for us. So please, you decide for us. Guys, this is one thing which I cannot do, and I don't want to do it also, because to each his own. There are teachers who are really popular amongst a particular set of students, and there are another set of teachers who are popular amongst the other set of students. No two students are fully satisfied with one teacher. I mean, some student will have some priority, some student will have some priority. So students differ, and their preferences, their choices of teachers also differ. So this is a decision which definitely you have to take, and a very simple technique to do it is, please see demo lectures of each of the teachers at least for 1 hour each teacher, and then you'll be able to decide that yes, he's the one or she's the one with whom I'm able to connect really well in the classes. And bingo, the teacher who really makes a connection with you, whom you really feel connected to, and his thoughts are really resonating with your thoughts, he's the teacher who's perfect for you. So this decision I leave up to you, and yes, but I'll give you best options. None of my teachers are good or bad. All of them have got really good skills, teaching skills. They cover CMA Institute study mat, they cover past examination question, RTP, MTP and whatnot. So no compromise on the quality of education that I'll be providing to all of you through any of my faculties. And many of you might have given group 1. So for all those students who have given group 1 and are waiting for results, guys, I would not suggest you to buy the entire group 2. Only if you are absolutely sure that your group 1 is cleared, then only you buy entire group 2. But don't buy entire group 2 as of now. As of now, I'll want you to start with one of the subjects, and the subject which I'll guide you is corporate accounting and audit. Not because I'm teaching this subject, not only because of that. Yes, that is one of the reason, but not only because of that reason, but the reason is that till the result, you'll be able to complete this particular subject quite efficiently, quite well. So yes, target completing this subject till your examination result date. And if you're confident, if you're saying that, sir, we are 100% sure that we'll be able to qualify the last exam, group 1. We are absolutely sure about that. Then guys, no doubt about it, don't buy a particular subject, buy the entire combo. Buy entire 4 subjects and start your preparations right away, because that will be a little more cheaper for you. That will be a little more economical for you. Again, go to the website www.cscscmanikhilgupta.com and look for all the possible combinations that are available to you. And yes, choose the best for yourself. So that is a little bit of marketing information on some popular combos that are really need of the market right now, need of all of you, and at suitable prices, affordable prices, and quality education. Now let me guide you towards the upcoming future, till your results as well as after the results. What should be your thought process if you have given your CMA Foundation, CMA Intermediate, or CMA Final? How should you plan your future? Let's go on to that particular subject. We are a CMA Foundation student. We have given our CMA Foundation in December 2025. And now we are looking at CMA Intermediate Group 1, sir. Should we start studying right now? Answer is yes, you should start studying right now. So see, as far as our past experience goes, CMA Foundation result is quite high. So your probability of getting qualified is high. Unless until you tell me, sir, our maths exam was absolutely berserk and I think I have not even taken 30% of the questions right. If you have that kind of feeling, then you can stop, okay? But if you are reasonably assured that, yes sir, we are reasonably sure that we'll be able to qualify, then guys, please start your coaching right now. So for all the CMA Foundation students, it's advisable, please start your coachings right now. Now, sir, should we target June 2025 attempt? That's the next question that you're going to ask. Okay. So now choice is yours. Either you can prepare for one group or you can give both the groups together. If you're planning to give both the groups together, then June 2025 attempt is not for you. You'll be allowed to give June 25 both the groups. As far as institutes norms are concerned, as far as institutes rules are concerned, you will be eligible. But I'm very sure you won't be able to prepare, guys. Preparation time is too less to prepare both the groups for June 2025 attempt. So if you want to give both the groups, then June 2025 is out of question. Then you aim for December 2025 attempt. But yes, if you want to give one group, if you want to give, say group 1 in June 2025 or group 2 in June 2025, then yes, you have fair bit of chance, fair bit of number of days which are left to prepare for group 1 for June 2025, but without wasting even a single day. So from January onwards till May, we have 151 days which are left for your examination for June 2025. Okay, please calculate. So if obviously now you are an intermediate student, not a foundation student, I would expect that you will give 8 hours per day to me for studying. Okay, 8 hours per day, 31 days, no Sundays, no holidays, no offs for all of you. Of course, this is CMA Intermediate, right? So 31 days multiplied by 8 hours, 28 days multiplied by 8 hours, 31 days multiplied by 8 hours. You have these number of hours which are left with you for June 2025 attempt, and I'm reasonably sure that you'll quite easily be able to cover the entire syllabus of either group 1 or group 2 and give your June 2025 attempt. Single group. If you're aiming for both the groups, then December 2025 is the attempt for you. And again, I'm repeating, do not wait for the results. Results are expected to be announced in second week of January, right, for CMA Foundation students. Do not wait for the results. Start your coachings immediately. If you don't want to buy the group, at least start coaching for one of the subjects. Now coming on to CMA Intermediate and Final students, those students who have given one group and they are wanting to give other group in June 2025 attempt, guys, no option left with you. Okay, please start your preparation for the second group immediately. Sir, what if we do not qualify in group 1? What if we are not able to clear group 1? Should we give both the groups in June 2025 or should we stick to one group in June 2025? Guys, this decision you should not take right now. Wait till your results are expected somewhere in end of February, third week of February, 2021, 22, 21st February probably. Wait till that time and take that decision after you've seen your result, not right now. Right now, start preparing for group 2, at least one subject. So for example, if you're given CMA Intermediate group 1, then you can start with corporate accounting and audit, start preparing that subject. Until the result, you should complete one of the subjects of group 2. Similarly, for CMA final students, if you have given group 3, then you start your coaching for group 4. Take one subject at a time. Don't take the entire group. Take one subject at a time. But please prepare for group 4. So yes, without wasting any further time, you should start preparing for your attempt of June 2025. Don't wait for the result. Of course, anxiety will be there, nervousness will be there, but it's absolutely not advisable to wait for the results. And yes, the decision, so one group versus both the groups, this decision has to be deferred till the result date. Once result date is out, then you can actually take this decision and you can act accordingly. Of course, 151 days left for the CMA Intermediate and Final students as well. 151 multiplied by 8 hours per day or 10 hours per day will give a number of hours which are there. Please divide those number of hours into various subjects, various revisions, revision number 1, revision number 2, and completion of the course, everything, and you'll be able to really make a plan for yourself. So don't waste your time, make a plan, go ahead, execute it. Decision making is to be deferred till results of the December 2024 attempt. And yes, tomorrow is Christmas, today is Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas to all of you. May your coming Christmas be with those 3 alphabets for the CMA final students, CMA. May you celebrate the next Christmas with those 3 alphabets, and may you celebrate next Christmas with CMA finalist tag if you are a CMA intermediate student. May all your wishes come true on that positive note. All the very best and happy studying. Do write your comments in the comment section below. If you are in doubt about anything, please write in the comment section below and I'll be able to help you. And yes, you can contact my team at these numbers and they will be able to guide you through 9643 92 9913. They will be able to guide you absolutely clearly. On that positive note, all the very best and happy studying.